It has been an extremely long day. Actually, scratch that. It has been an extremely long week. And I think I'm just gonna give myself an at-home facial because I don't really want to go to the spa and spend all the coins in the world. If you know me, you know that I stand for natural beauty and natural skin, embracing what you have and enhancing your natural traits. And that's what Glossier stands for. So shout out to Glossier for sponsoring this video. I'll be sure to leave links in the description box to all of the products that I use, and they are all extremely good for acne prone skin because y'all know I struggle from acne. And they also have some amazing gift sets right now that are perfect for the holiday season. So girl, save those coins. First things first, when I am giving myself an at-home facial, I like to just inspect my skin to really understand what's going on with it and what exactly I need to do for that facial. Next, I grab a headband just to make sure that my braids are not falling in my face because, hair touching the skin can really cause a breakout. So I just try to minimize that by using a headband to make sure that all of my braids are just going to the back. Next, I wash my hands so that you're not taking all those impurities and germs from your hands and transferring them onto your face. I'm gonna wet my face and start my facial out cleaning my skin. So I'm gonna opt for the Milky Jelly Cleanser from Glossier. This is actually really good for removing makeup, but it also has a dual purpose of a cleanser as well. And I didn't wear makeup this day, so I didn't need to remove any makeup, but I just love the cleanser because it is extremely moisturizing. It's one of those creamy cleansers that doesn't sud up, and it's just very moisturizing and it leaves your skin really nice and soft. And when I'm doing an at-home facial, I do like to use some sort of tool to wash my face, whether it's a brush or a vibrating tool or something like that. So that's what I'm just using here, and it really helps to get the cleanser deeper into the skin, and it helps to exfoliate the skin and remove a lot of the dead skin that you might have on your face. And I love this one because it vibrates and it literally just feels like a massage on my face. And you don't want to forget when you are cleansing your face that you also want to cleanse your lips and your chin as well. I feel like a lot of people don't do that, so never forget your lips and your chin. Next, I'm going to take a heated rag. It's nice and wet and steamy, and I'm just going to wipe all the cleanser off of my face. This just really just gives me the feeling of being at a spa because this is how they remove cleanser and products off your face, so I just love to do that when I'm doing an at-home facial. Next, I'm just going to steam my face for a couple of minutes, and this will really open my pores and allow for all the treatments that I use next to really seep into my skin and allow my skin to really soak up all the nutrients and benefits of those products. Next, I'm gonna mask, and I'm gonna actually do two masks. I'm gonna multi-mask. If you guys have ever heard of this before, let me know in the comments. So the first one I'm gonna use is the Mega Greens Galaxy Mask. I use this on my T-zone area where I tend to get really oily because this is a clay mask that really helps to draw out all the excess oil and impurities in your skin. So it helps to kind of reduce the oil in my T-zone and leave my skin more matte. And then on the areas of my face where I tend to be a lot more dry, which are my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with this moisturizing moon mask. This is one of my holy grail products. I absolutely love this mask. It brightens my skin, it moisturizes my skin. It has almond oil in it. And if you know how I feel about almond oil, then you know that I absolutely love almond oil. So after I have both masks on, I'm gonna go ahead and put my face back over the steamer because that really helps the ingredients from the mask to really penetrate my skin so that I'm getting all the benefits of those masks. And then I'm gonna take another wet, super steamy, warm towel and wipe those masks off my face. And as you can see, my skin looks so moisturized, like extremely moisturized. And you also want to make sure that you get that hairline because we can't be out here having dirty hairlines. Next, I'm gonna do some extraction. So this is just an extraction set, and I'm just gonna go in where I tend to have a lot of whiteheads and remove those with the extractor. I really don't go too crazy with this just because I know that if you do this wrong, it can really damage the skin. So I do tend to just do very light extractions, and I allow my esthetician to really go in hard in the paint when she does this. But I just do it wherever there's just like major whiteheads that you can really see and that are really noticeable, and just get all that nasty gunk and junk out of my skin. And then after extractions, I'm gonna go in with a serum and really just press that into my face. And then I'm gonna take a rose quartz roller. This is really similar to like a jade roller. And I'm just going to roll that all over my skin in an upward motion because that helps to keep the skin nice and tight because we don't want no wrinkles out here. And this just really helps to get the product deeper into the skin. And again, making sure that I am doing it in upward motions and not downward motions because wrinkles who? Where? Not till I'm 100. Not I. And then I'm gonna go in with the priming moisturizer. If y'all know me, y'all know that I have extremely large pores. So this moisturizer really helps to reduce the appearance of pores. Because it does have hyaluronic acid in it as well, it just makes my skin feel extremely soft, extremely hydrated, and leaves my skin extremely supple. And I'm just gonna press that into my skin as opposed to rubbing it into my skin because rubbing, again, just causes wrinkles that we don't want. Next, for my eyes and my lips. My eyes have been extremely dry this season. I have struggled with like peeling and dryness around my eyes, and using this bubble wrap product has really helped a ton. You always want to make sure that you're treating your eyes, especially during this time of the year where it's a lot colder, because you just don't want eyes that are droopy and saggy and wrinkly and dry. So this product just really helps to make my eyes appear a lot more plump and supple as well. And I just go in with my other side of my rose quartz roller and roll my eyes with that to make sure that the product is really getting into my skin. So I'm gonna take that same bubble wrap product and put it on my lips. This, in my opinion, is kind of like a lotion. And then I'll go in with balm.com and use this to seal in the moisture from the bubble wrap. These balm.com products are honestly some of my favorite lip products that I have ever used. It has castor seed oil in it, so you know how I love castor oil for my natural hair. This is great for my lips because it's super thick and it helps my lips to stay moisturized for a really long time. And my favorite balm.coms are Birthday. It literally smells like birthday cake, rose, and mint. And to finish everything off, I'm gonna go in with the Soothing Face Mist. This just helps to just add that final layer of hydration onto your skin. It has rose water in it, and y'all know I love rose water for my hair because it's super moisturizing, so this really just helps to moisturize my skin. And that is it for my DIY at-home facial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gives you some inspiration for how to do a facial at home yourselves to save those coins, honey. Thanks again to Glossier for sponsoring this video. Be sure to shop Glossier this holiday season, and I will include links to all the items I used in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm falling down, but I always have angels in my corner. I always have angels in my corner. I always have angels in my corner. Down, I'm falling down, but I always have angels in my corner. I always have angels in my corner.